Hello, I'd like to show you how to use the basic Rhino 5 or 4 to design jewelry items, rings and pendants in a small series of quick tutorials. And these are based on building surfaces and not so much as flooding the whole surface with diamonds everywhere you can put them, but more of building basic surface building. We're not going to use any Matrix or Rhino Gold or any other programs jewelry related. We're just going to use basic Rhino, and it's to kind of get your skills shown, your surface building skills, and show you some tricks and a few things to help you build better models. We're going to work on 1,000,000,000 in this exercise, and I'm going to show you, we're not going to get into the rendering. I don't have any rendering programs or anything like that. I'm not big on the rendering, but more on the designing part of it. And some of the things that we're going to work on this tutorial is, let me just hide these points a minute. We're going to work on these rings, a couple of them. It's all the same. Basically, we're just what we call building on a theme. Now, all these were kind of built, with the exception of 2 of them, the same theme. And I'm not into rendering, but you'll see that these rings, each one has its own little difference, whether it be in the way the shank is here, pointed, nice, round. You can see how it attaches there. Or this side, it's smooth, it's angled down, smooth. And this has an arch to it. And again, like I said, I'm not into the rendering part of it, but give you a little bit more. Make the initial ring. And you can see each one has its own little differences. As I'm going to show you how to make 2 of these rings, we're going to do the front one, go straight up and down, and then we'll do a side one, and then I'll show you how to modify it a little bit. So let's get started in that. Now, you should have a basic understanding of how Rhino works. I'm not going to break down every tools. We're just going to use basic tools. So you do need to know how to draw curves and lines and do extrusions and bullion differences, kind of the basic things. Get you going. And again, this is kind of just doing short tutorials to get you started and designing jewelry, not using any programs, software programs, making nice watertight models that'll be ready to be printed or grown, grown, or milled. So, what I'd like you to do is, we're going to go over the next lesson here, and we're going to show you exactly how we set up the screen so we can both be on the same page. We'll set the grid, we'll set everything up, and start to get ready to do your designing. I'm sure you will learn many things here that you can apply to any of your other jewelry designing, some of the techniques I use. And it's all designed to go easy and fast, so you don't get all dragged out and complicated on making these models. I want you to make them fast and then learn how to edit them from there. So we'll catch up on the next lesson, and we'll get started from there.